Dear children, let us continue the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Now let us start the exercise 2, that is the second exercise of the chapter. The first main question is evaluate the following, and the first sub question is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. We have to evaluate the value of this, that is, you take here, first you take sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree, that equals, you know the value of sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. You know that sin 60 and cos 30 are same. They are root 3 by 2 plus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Sin 30 and cos 60 are same. Sin 60 and cos 30 are same. Now you write here the product of these two. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, that equals, the denominators are here 4, so you take that and add the numerators. As the denominators are same, that is 4, add the numerators, that is 3 plus 1 equals, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 4 equals 1. 4 by 4 equals 1, therefore you can write that sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree equals 1. Second question, second sub question of that first main. Find the value of, evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Now you take that first, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree equals, you write 2 as it is, then tan square 45 degree means, what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So you write 1 square. Tan square 45 means tan 45 the whole square. So it is 1 square plus cos square 30 means cos 30 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60, that is sin 60 whole square. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Then you write 2 into 1 square is 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is, root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 minus again root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Root 3 whole square is 3 and 2 square is 4. So you got root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Then 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. They are equal with opposite sign. So you can cancel them. What will remain here? 2. 2 into 1 is 2 you got. Therefore you write, therefore 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus Sine square 60 degree equals 2. Next, let us take the third one. Cos 45 degree. Evaluate cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree. Sec 30 degree plus cosecant, cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. Now you consider that cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Put the values of cos 45 degree. Cos 45, that you know, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Secant 30. You know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 30 is 2. Now you simplify it. Then you write the numerator 1 by root 2 as it is. You take the LCM here. The LCM is root 3. Simplify the denominator. Then you take the LCM. The LCM is root 3. Then the numerator of this fraction becomes 2 plus 2 remains as it is. This into this you have to take here. So in the numerator 2 root 3, that equals, you write here 1 by root 2 into the reciprocal of the denominator that you have to take here, that is root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 by 2 plus root 3, that equals, you multiply 1 and root 3, numerator and numerator, and root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Then you will get root 3 by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 plus root 2 into 2 root 3 is, you will get 2 root 6. 2 root 6. Then it becomes root 3 by 2, you can remove as a common. In the bracket you will get root 2 plus root 6. You can keep this value as it is. Otherwise you can rationalize the denominator and simplify. Then here we have to rationalize root 2 plus root 6. We have learnt in 9th standard rationalizing the denominator of the irrational number. You know that it is an irrational number. You rationalize the denominator and simplify. Then you write root 3 as it is, 2 also as it is, and root 2 plus root 6 is to be rationalized, means multiply both numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor of root 2 plus root 6. Then what is the rationalizing factor of root 2 plus root 6? That is root 2 minus root 6. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2 minus root 6. Root 2 minus root 6. So here root 3 by 2 into root 2 plus root 6 is multiplied by root 2 minus 6 by root 2 minus root 6 by root 2 minus root 6. Then you simplify it. That equals, you write this as it is, root 3 as it is, and multiply it by root 2 minus root 6, that divided by 2 into, you know that here root 2 plus root 6 one factor and the other factor is root 2 minus root 6. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Then you write, multiply this and this, this and this. You will get root 3 into root 2 is whole root 3 into 2 minus root 3 into root 6 is whole root 3 into 6. That by 2 you write as it is. Then the product of these two factors, root 2 plus 6, root 6 and root 2 minus root 6 is 2 minus 6. You know that root a plus root b into root a minus root b is a minus b, that you have learnt in 9th standard. That equals, the numerator becomes root 6 minus root 18, that divided by 2 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Then you write root 6. Then here root 18 can be expressed as a product of square number into some other number. So you write 18 means 9 into 2. Here 9 is a square number. Then 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Then you write this is 6, root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 8. That equals, here as negative is in the denominator, change the sign of the numerator to cancel the negative sign in the denominator. That is minus root 6 plus 3 root 2 by 8 you will get. Then you write the positive first, 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. That is the final answer here. If you want to simplify, you can arrive to this answer. Therefore, you write, therefore, cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree equals 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Next you take the next question, that is the fourth one. Sin 30 degree, evaluate sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree, that by secant 30 degree plus cosine 60 degree minus plus cot 45 degree. Here we have to evaluate sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree, sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now you write that one. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree equals, you know that sin 30 is, right, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Because the sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So the cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Then secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Because the cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So the secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus, then you write plus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. As tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is also 1. Then you simplify it. That equals, here you take the LCM. The LCM is the product of these 2 and root 3. Then you write In the numerator, you simplify that. The LCM of 2 and root 3 is 2 root 3. Then 1 you can consider, that is 1 by 1 you can consider here. Then you write 2 into root 3 means 1 into root 3 plus the LCM is 2 root 3. So here 1 means 1 into 2 root 3. So in the numerator also 1 into 2 root 3, write 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 you will get, 4. Then in the denominator you simplified the ratios. The LCM is again 2 root 3 and here 1 is there, means you can have it as 1 by 1. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 2 root 3, because 1 by 1, 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3, so that is also 1 into 2 root 3, that equals. So find the sum of these two. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. That whole divided by 4, you write 4 plus sum of root 3 and 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. So you write 3 root 3 or divided by 2 root 3. Next you take the 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 into reciprocal of this one. So the reciprocal becomes 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3. Here after taking into, you take the reciprocal of the complete denominator, that is 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3, that equals, here you write 3 root 3 minus, you know that 2 root 3 cancels here, cancel them. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, one is in the numerator and the other is in the denominator, you can cancel. Then the numerator is 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4, and the denominator is 4 plus 3 root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3. Then here you can write both the numerator and denominators are having numerator and denominators are having 3 root 3 minus 4, 4 plus 3 root 3. Then you can rationalize the denominator. So you write 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. The rationalizing factor of 4 plus 3 root 3 is 4 minus 3 root 3. You can keep this as it is, or otherwise you can simplify. Then it is, so it becomes 4 minus 3 root 3. Then you will get, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3, and in the denominator it is a plus b into a minus c. You write first 4 plus 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Then you will get, that is, do the term by term multiplication. Then it equals, here you do the term by term multiplication. First you multiply 4 minus 3 root 3 by 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 into 4 is 12 root 3. Again 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 is, that is minus 9 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then again you multiply this and this. Minus 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4 is minus 16, and minus into minus is plus 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3, and the product of these two, you can have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square means 4 square minus 3 root 3 whole square you will get. That equals 12 root 3 minus the product of 9 and 3 is 9 3 is 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3. That by 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. Then minus 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. 9 into 3 you will get. Then you add this, my 12 and 12 is 24 root 3. 12 root 3, 12 root 3 you can add them. So you add 24 root 3 and minus 27 minus 16, add them and put the same sign, that is minus 43. It is divided by 16 minus 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. That equals 24 root 3 minus 43, and 27 minus 16 is 11, that is negative 11. Negative 11. And remove the negative sign in the denominator and change the sign of the terms of the numerator. So this 24 minus 3, 24 root 3 becomes minus 24 root 3 and plus 43 divided by 11, and you write the 43 as a first term minus 24 root 3 whole divided by 11 you will get. Therefore, you can write that sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree, that divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree equals, what is the value you got? 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. By 11 you got. Then the next question, fifth question. Fifth question is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree, that divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So you consider that 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. That equals 5 we write 5 only. You know the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So you write cos square 60 means 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 you write 4 and sec square 30 degree. Secant square 30 degree. Sec 30 is, sec 30 you know, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 degree is tan 45 degree whole square. Tan 45 degree is 1. You write 1 square. Then sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and sin square 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30, that is cos 30 whole square. Cos 30 whole square is, cos 30 whole square is, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. Then you write that equals 5, you write 5 only. Then 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Then plus you write plus only. 4 you write 4. And 2 by root 3 whole square. 2 by root 3 whole square is 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3, minus 1 square is 1 you write. That divided by, whole divided by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, plus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 you will get. That equals, you multiply 5 and 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 is 5 by 4, plus 4 into 4 by 3, 4 4 is 16, 16 by 3 minus 1. Then here the denominators are same, so you write 4 and add the numerators, that is 1 plus 3. That equals, here you take the LCM as a product, here consider 1 is there, so the product of these 3 is 12. So right, it is 12, and you know that 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Then 3 4s are 12, so 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64, and minus 1 12s are 12. Then you write 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4. 4 equals 15 minus 64 is 79, minus 12 divided by 12 whole divided by 1. That equals 79 minus 12 is, that is 67 by 12. So you got that 67 by 12. So you can write, therefore 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree equals, you got 67 by 12. 67 by 12 you got.